So this is the inline fuse for that fish finder. This is the power supply for that fish finder. It is going to live in here along with my PWM, my fuse block for everything apart from the fish finder, the forward and reverse module that controls the DC motor steering drive that's back there. We have furniture grade PVC rod holders that I made here. Your typical milk crate and a dry bag. This fiberglass rod is going to be used to tilt the motor up if necessary. I'll be able to pull the motor up and then push for it to go back down. And then this here is going to be is what locks and unlocks it. This isn't, permanently attached, of course, as it comes off. But there's going to be a throttle cable that will be right here that allows me to actuate that. What else have we done? I think that's about it. We're going to be doing a bunch of reinforcement inside using these yoga blocks. I have an anchor wizard set up there and a bunch of pad eyes running down to a clam cleat that's right there. That clam cleat is reinforced from the back with aluminum U-channel. I have a switch plate that I made that's going there. There's the holes for the main power plug and my kill switch. Back here is the cable that I made and the tiller head that I made that goes to all this. I added some additional carry handles. These are braced from behind with aluminum U-channel as well. This bracket is modified from a old Minn Kota autopilot, and that's where this steering drive came from as well. I added this hatch and modified that hatch. That way I could get access to under there, so that way I could through bolt this. This was an old cutting board, and I used CAD to create this cardboard aided design. This is entirely too short, and I'm going to be lengthening it using a old ski pole. So these pieces will come out, and I'm going to make a light mast and safety flag pole. It's about 5 feet long, and yeah, that's the boat. It is most of the way there. I know it looks like a disaster right now, an absolute disaster, but we have port and starboard lights, one of which I cracked installing. I over-torqued it, and I cracked where the screw goes in, and that really pissed me off. But I have a replacement. I have a spare. But yeah, here's the whole thing as it sits in complete disarray, and hopefully by the end of this month I'll have had enough time to get down here and tinker and finish everything up and turn this thing into a fully functioning kayak.